Hi friends, welcome back. Today we discuss degrees of comparison related fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks with suitable comparative degrees and superlative degrees. Here the test was dash than the last one. Here the adjective is easy. She is the dash dancer in the group. Graceful. My bag is dash than yours. The adjective is heavy. That was the dash movie I have ever seen. Bad. He is dash at maths than his brother. Adjective good. It is the dash building in the city. Adjective is tall. So here the test was dash than the last one. Than is the keyword. Than is the keyword. Generally we write than after comparative degree, that is adjective 2. Here the given adjective is easy, so here we should write easier. Easier. The test was easier than the last one. The test was easier than the last one. Okay, easier is the right answer. Right. She is the dash dancer in the group. The adjective. The article the. So generally we write article the before superlative degree. Okay. In articles there is a rule that the definite article the is always used before the superlative degrees. For example, greatest, the greatest, the highest, the most beautiful, the most colorful, the most faithful, the most interesting. Okay, so here the article is the. So next we should write adjective 3 form, that is superlative degree. Graceful is adjective 1, positive degree graceful, more graceful and most graceful. Okay, so here the correct answer is most graceful. Most graceful. She is the most graceful dancer in the group. She is the most graceful dancer in the group. Next, my bag is dash than yours. Than. So before than, as usually, we should write the comparative degree, that is heavier. Heavier. My bag is heavier than yours. My bag is heavier than yours. That was the article the. So adjective 3 form, that is comparative degree and superlative degree form. Bad, comparative worse, superlative worst. So that was the worst movie. That was the worst movie. It is irregular comparison. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Okay. So that was the worst movie I have ever seen. Next, he is dash at maths. He is dash at maths than his brother. Okay. He is good. Comparative degree better. Superlative degree best. So here comparative keyword than. So better. He is better. He is better at maths. He is better at maths than his brother. He is better at maths than his brother. Last one. It is the dash building in the city. It is the tallest. Tallest. Superlative degree. Tallest. Tall. Taller. Tallest. Tall. Positive degree. Taller. Comparative degree. Tallest. Superlative degrees. Okay. So it is the tallest building in the city. Thank you. I hope you all understand this class. Please encourage me by watching my videos. Please share, subscribe my channel, watch my videos regularly. Thank you very much for your cooperation and support. Thank you one and all.